with my oopsie. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be cleaning our beauty blenders with a Jiffy Bag, some water, and a little bit of dishwashing liquid. Now, if you guys like to find out how to clean up your beauty blenders with these three things, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, what you're going to need is a Jiffy Bag, any size, any shape, doesn't really matter as long as it closes like this. This hack is ideal if you have long fingernails like mine and you don't want to damage your beauty blenders. Now I have various shapes and sizes of beauty blenders right here. So I think I'm just going to pop all three in. Oh, let's get a different shape. Okay, there's three here. I'm just putting that into this little Jiffy Bag. Make sure you can seal it. Make sure there's no holes in your Jiffy Bag. That's supposed to be the first thing I'm supposed to tell you guys. So make sure there's no holes in your Jiffy Bag and that you can place an equal amount of beauty blenders in it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in some liquid. You can use any liquid. You can use too much. I think I just used too much. And last but not least, we're going to add in the water. Don't be shy with the water. Okay, this is what mine looks like. I think I should lower the camera, yeah, so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to start stealing this. What happens when I clean my beauty blenders like this, so it's a little bit bigger in size when you put it in water. So what happens, I tend to like damage it. If you look, some of my beauty blenders have a lot of spots on it, so that was because I nudged it and I took out some of the material. So let's just check it one last time. Yeah, no water coming. So now what you're gonna do is keep on pressing. Keep on pressing till your hands go blue. If you want, what you can do is just open it up a little bit and remove the air. So just hold it up like this and remove the air and seal it in. Once again, check if it's sealed. Yeah, it's sealed. And keep on pressing. It's like a stress ball. So yeah, you will start to notice that it is cleaning, but I think it just takes a little extra time to clean. And you can see, have a look at, I think it's this one over here. Can you see like a dent? It's because I nudged it with my oopsie, someone opened up. Yeah, just please careful with that. So yeah, just keep on pressing and playing around with this, and I think after a good amount of pressing and pushing and all that, this is going to work. So this is literally what you're gonna have to keep on doing till your beauty blenders actually come out clean. So guys, this is a hack, especially if you have long fingernails like mine and you're going to keep nudging your beauty blenders. Also, if you're on the go and you need your beauty blenders like literally next to immediately and you're busy, you can just like fool around with this and play with this while you are busy doing something else. So yeah, I find this hack really useful, and plus it works in literally no time. As you can see, look, the water was clear and now it's like murky, and So guys, that's it for me today. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel so I can be back with more amazing hacks like these so that we don't damage your stuff. I'm out, guys.